there is a place for prayers and there is a place for common sense. Unfortunately, most Christians today have replaced common sense with prayer. They have replaced common sense with prayer alone, and they think that everything must be solved by prayer alone. It is not everything that must be solved by prayer alone. If indeed prayers alone can solve our problem, Ghana, we pray more than Japan. We pray more than China. We pray more than Germany. We pray more than Holland. We pray more than most of these countries. How come our problems are still the same? So we sometimes substitute laziness to prayers. So in addition to prayer, think. In addition to prayer, dream. In addition to prayer, imagine. Unfortunately, the church today, young men and young women of today, have substituted thinking, imagination, and dreaming to prayers alone. Prayers alone cannot fix your problem. What common sense can do, prayers cannot do that for you. That is why God has asked you to think and to pray. You are sitting down there and all that you are doing is you are praying that you get a job. When you are not going out there to look for a job and you think a miracle will hit you, you are sitting out there not doing your job well, and you are praying that God should bless you. And then you begin believing that God is going to bless you and turn your fortunes around. You need to be praying that God should rather bless your ideas. God should open your eyes that you would see where the needs are. God should bless you with the ideas so that you would use the ideas as seed you plant to turn your fortunes around.
The Islamic faith and
friends, you need to do what? Pray for long. I made up my mind to pray the way I've never prayed, to fast the way I've never fasted, and to give to the work of God the way I've never done. So that the refinery can begin to work upon that crude oil, which is the investment